Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Macson Jump Starter, because it consists of the following features. This 1000 amp car battery jump starter is designed to efficiently jumpstart 12V vehicles, including those with up to 5.0L gas or 3.0L diesel engines. Its lightweight and portable build ensures easy handling and storage, making it a reliable companion for quick vehicle starts. Equipped with a 5-mode LED flashlight, SOS, strobe, illuminated lamp, and red flashing warning, this jump starter offers versatile utility. It can be fully charged in just 2.5 hours via a USB-C port, providing continuous power for emergency starts. The two USB ports allow simultaneous charging of multiple devices like smartphones and tablets. The jump starter comes with clear instructions and intuitive controls, ensuring easy setup and use. To ensure optimal performance, we recommend keeping the device at least 50% charged or fully charged before use. Unlike other models, our jump starter retains its charge for up to 3 months when idle, maintaining its functionality. This jump starter is not only a powerful tool for jump-starting vehicles but also serves as a convenient power bank for various electronic devices. Whether you're on a road trip, camping, or facing an unexpected emergency, this multifunctional device ensures you stay prepared and connected. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.